Okay, this is our VF3 APC machine, and I'm going to take you around it. Inside, spindle, of course various cutting debris because we're still using it. The beds are, the pallets I should say, the beds are covered in acrylic, and that's what we machine our parts on, and they're sealed around the edges. Lights inside. Okay, tool arm, zooming back. Tool changer. It's a 40 tool changer. Coolant tanks. Back of the machine. The vector drive itself. Okay. The pallet shuttle. And then we're going to do a pallet change for you.